Good night, little one. The farm is quiet and the stars are bright. The sleepy cow says, "Moo," and rests her head. The fluffy sheep is tired and curls up to sleep. The little piglet yawns and finds a cozy spot. The waddling duck says, "Quiet quack," and tucks its beak. The gentle dog sighs and rests by his friends. The slow-moving goose is ready for a long night's rest. The sleepy cat stretches and purrs softly. The gentle horse joins them, safe and sound. All the animals are sleeping, sweet dreams, until the morning light.